Introducing Aries chair by Pago, a stunning addition in misty grey. With its sleek and elegant architectural design, complemented by concealed operating levers, it exudes sophistication. Elevate your home or work environment effortlessly with its easy no-tools assembly. Aries offers a reclining mechanism with adjustable tension, allowing you to lock the position for focused work or recline and relax. The gas lifter of the chair is controlled by the lever on the right side. To ensure proper posture, place your feet firmly on the floor and sit towards the back of the chair. Make sure there's a 90-degree angle between your thigh and shin bone. The left side lever is used to lock the chair in an upright position. For most of the day, we recommend using the chair in the free float position or unlocked. However, when you need to concentrate on work, lock the chair in the most upright position. To reset the chair, shift your body weight forward and pull the lever as demonstrated. When the chair is locked upright, the seat slightly tilts forward, promoting better posture and providing lumbar support. The Aries chair by Pago is backed by a 5-year warranty, ensuring long-lasting quality and peace of mind. Thanks for watching, and congratulations on a great new addition to your home or office.